Why does sheet metal forming matter? Why should one care about a process that seems so mundane and at first glance disconnected from our daily lives? Well, the truth is, sheet metal forming is everywhere around us, and it plays an essential role in creating the world we live in today. Sheet metal forming is the backbone of many industries. It's the process that shapes the cars we drive, the appliances we use, the buildings we live and work in, and even the devices we rely on to stay connected. This process is a crucial part of manufacturing, contributing to not just the products we see, but also to the economy at large. So how does the process of sheet metal forming work? It all begins with a flat piece of metal known as a blank. This blank is subjected to various processes to shape it into a final product. The processes can range from simple bending to more complex operations like deep drawing and stamping. Bending is the simplest form of sheet metal forming. The metal sheet is placed around a die and then pressed into shape with the help of a punch. The punch and die are usually made of hardened tool steel to withstand the high stresses involved in the bending process. The result? A sheet of metal bent to a specific angle or shape. Deep drawing, on the other hand, is a more complex process. Here, the metal sheet is stretched into a shape rather than bent. The sheet is placed over a die, and a punch is used to press the sheet into the die. This action stretches the metal, forming a deep, hollow shape. Think of a soup can or a car door. These are products of deep drawing. Stamping is another critical process in sheet metal forming. It involves the use of a die and a punch to create raised areas or indentations in the metal sheet. Stamping is used to create intricate designs and patterns, adding not just functionality, but also aesthetic appeal to the final product. In all these processes, one crucial factor is the material's ductility, its ability to deform without breaking. The more ductile a metal, the more suitable it is for sheet metal forming. Metals like aluminium, copper, and stainless steel are commonly used due to their high ductility. In summary, sheet metal forming is a versatile and critical process in manufacturing. It involves bending, deep drawing, and stamping of a metal blank to create a final product. The process relies heavily on the ductility of the metal used, with metals like aluminium, copper, and stainless steel being common choices. It's a process that's everywhere around us, shaping the cars we drive, the buildings we live in, the devices we use, and the economy we are part of. So the next time you see a car, a building, or even a soup can, take a moment to appreciate the intricate processes that went into making it. Because in a world without sheet metal forming, our everyday life would look drastically different.